Hey guys, these are the two biggest reasons Surrons are coming back to the shop. Surrons, they're really fun. This has been one of the funnest motorcycles I've had, and I've had a lot. Everything from sport bikes, motocross bikes, I've raced motocross, I've raced road race. I enjoy riding it every day. Like, I look forward to coming to work because I get to ride my Surron. So the first thing is our hardware. We're seeing a lot of these bikes come in with problems, lots of damage, but the initial problem was just the hardware came loose. So every once in a while, I don't know, every 100 miles, check the Titan, put a wrench. Anything you see with a wrench, give a little snug to, make sure nothing's coming loose. The front axle and these pinch bolts, we've seen those come loose. Axle comes out, brakes get destroyed. Make sure we're checking the hardware on the axle. These pinch bolts, this pinch bolt, make sure your head stem. Now this has an aftermarket one, but make sure this is tight. We've seen these come loose. We've seen this come loose. This is really bad when this comes loose because the jack shaft gets eaten up. There's not really a way to tighten this. There's a special tool for it, but you can at least tell if it's loose. You should be able to put an Allen wrench in the other side and make sure it doesn't turn. Rear axle, same thing. Just make sure we're keeping all of our hardware tight. If you do have aftermarket levers, another thing I've seen come loose is there's a little set screw in here, and that holds this lever in, and that screw will fall out and you'll hit a bump while you're not holding the brake and that pin comes out. And the only way you can get this pin is with the master. So you want to check these set screws. It's the same with the factory levers. I haven't seen the factory ones come off, but it's still worth checking, make sure that's tight. When we got Surrons, I bought one because I knew I was gonna have to work on them and I wanted to learn everything about them. So this is actually my personal Surron. I did some upgrades, of course. I had to raise the seat. We upgraded all the suspension so it's stronger. I actually added a heavier spring. Down in here, I also got rid of the belt. I run a chain drive just because of my weight. I'm not the lightest dude, so I'm kind of sending it to the limit. But so far it's been great. I've got almost 600 miles on it. I commute it daily. It's been a riot. Okay, the second biggest thing we see that also causes a lot of problems are the spokes are getting loose. After lots of miles, your spokes, they tend to loosen up. And the easiest way to tell if they're loose is you can tap them, you'll feel it. They'll kind of be loose, you can tell. Or if you can feel any play in this direction, that's the best way to tell. Now, if you can just take your wrench and give them all the same amount of turn and tighten them up, but you're gonna end up with a wobbly wheel. So the best thing to do if you're feeling loose spokes, take the wheel off, bring it down to us. We can tighten, we'll true it. We actually put it on our truer machine and we'll tighten all the spokes and make sure the wheel's straight when we're done. Oh, and a bonus tip, make sure your tire pressure is set where you want. Now, it's hard to recommend tire pressure because everyone's a little different, but I can give you some basics. Like this bike, we ride on the road every day, very rarely off-road, so I run 40 pounds in the back and 25 in the front. I'm also heavier, so that's where I run this. If you're off-road, you're gonna wanna be in the 15, 20 range, right? But let's say you ride off-road most of the time and then you're gonna ride a lot of on the road. Then you're gonna wanna adjust your pressure because it'll make a difference. It'll make your tires last longer, it'll make your tubes last longer, and make your ride better. Definitely check out a Surron. Find a buddy who has one, try them out. Their electric power, if you haven't experienced electric power, is awesome. If you have any other questions or any other tips, put them in the comments. We're happy to answer them. All right, guys, that's it for this time. Hopefully we'll see you next time. I gotta get back to work.